He's actually in our town right now in Portsmouth, New Hampshire. Republican presidential candidate Mitt Romney. Governor Romney, are reports of your death premature?
Oh, gosh.
Oh, pretty silly, actually. I'm pleased that I came in second in Iowa. Look, the names I was looking up against were John McCain, Rudy Giuliani, and Fred Thompson. Household names. I'm a relatively unknown guy from the bluest state in America, and to come in ahead of all those guys is really quite extraordinary. I want to do well in New Hampshire as well, but recognize Mike Huckabee really, at least at this stage, isn't a factor in New Hampshire. I'm looking at John McCain, and he and I are going to be going head-to-head here. So, history shows that you want to come out number 1 or 2 in Iowa, number 1 or 2 in New Hampshire, and I think I'm going to be able to do that in both places, hopefully number 1.